The Hurricane Center, their 5 o'clock advisory, they are characterizing this as having the potential to be the most destructive hurricane, one of the most destructive hurricanes on record for West Central Florida. That's from the National Hurricane Center. They're not known for hyperbole. Take a look at the forecast or the information, and we'll get to the forecast that Betty just showed you. Winds of 180 miles per hour. This is as strong as you will see a hurricane anywhere on the face of the planet. Pressures of 905 millibars. This is rivaling the strongest hurricanes that we have in the record books, including the likes of Katrina. The pressures are lower than Andrew was. The winds are stronger than what Andrew's winds were. I mean, it's breaking records. One of the fastest intensifying hurricanes that we have seen, certainly in the last 20, 30 years.